Google just dropped 4 massive Gemini updates at once, and honestly, this changes what AI even is. We're talking an AI that keeps working while your laptop is closed. A new model that's faster than anything Google has shipped before, YouTube turning into something you talk to instead of search. And a brand new model that can generate video from almost anything you give it. I'm going to walk you through all 4, and the last one is going to change YouTube as you know it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, first one, and this is the biggest one in my opinion. It's called Gemini Spark, and this is a 24/7 AI agent. It runs in the background, it works for you while you sleep, while you're eating, while you're at the gym. Your laptop can be closed and it keeps working in the cloud. Let that sink in for a second. Gemini isn't just answering your questions anymore, it's starting to actually work for you. Google is calling it an active partner that does real work on your behalf, under your direction. This is the first time Google's AI feels less like a chatbot and more like an actual digital worker. Here's what that looks like in real life. You could tell it, go through my email, find everyone who reached out about my product in the last week, pull them into a spreadsheet, and draft a follow up for each one. Then show me the results when I wake up. And it just does it. It connects straight into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. You could also tell it, watch my calendar, and if a slot opens up tomorrow, block it for a call and write me a quick post I can share. It handles that too. And here's an important detail Google was clear about. Spark asks you first before it does anything big, like sending an email or spending money, so you stay in control the whole time. It can also plug into outside tools. Google's already adding things like Canva, OpenTable, and Instacart, using something called MCP, which is just a way for it to talk to other apps. It's built on Google's new agent system called anti-gravity, which lets it run long tasks without timing out or needing you to babysit it. Right now, it's rolling out to trusted testers first, then to Google AI Ultra users in the US, so keep an eye out for it. Second update, Gemini 3.5 Flash, and this one is fast. Google is calling it their first model that combines frontier level intelligence with action. It's lighter, it's quicker, and it's built specifically for coding and agent work. And here's the part most people are going to miss. Google isn't training Gemini to just chat anymore, they're training it to act. The old race in AI was who could chat the best. The new race is who can actually do the most, and this model is built for doing. It writes code, runs tasks, plans steps, and acts fast. And Google said you no longer have to trade quality for speed to get that. Picture this. You want a system that finds new leads every single day. The old way, the model thinks, waits, thinks again. With Flash, it's nearly instant. It finds the leads, scores them, sorts them, and sends them to your inbox before your coffee's even done. Or say you want an AI coding agent to build out a landing page for you, one that explains your offer and turns visitors into leads. This model can spin that up in minutes instead of hours. And it's already powering the Gemini app and AI mode inside Google Search. So you're already using this speed without even realizing it. This is starting to feel less like a chatbot update and more like Google quietly building an entire AI operating system. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Third update, and this one changes how you use YouTube. It's called Ask YouTube. Right now, when you use YouTube, you type keywords, you search, you scroll, you click, and you hope it's the right video. That's changing. With Ask YouTube, you just talk to it like a friend. It's powered by the Gemini app, and it lets you have an actual conversation with YouTube's content instead of just searching for it. You could say, Show me the best videos on AI automation, and instead of handing you a list and walking away, it lets you keep going. Okay, now show me the ones on AI agents specifically. Then what about lead generation tools? Then plan me a 3-day path to learn this properly. You're not scrolling and guessing anymore, you're just talking. And here's what nobody's really talking about yet. This could completely change how content gets found on YouTube, how videos get discovered changes, thumbnails change, even how people watch changes. It's rolling out to users in the US later this year, so it's coming. And the biggest update still to come, Gemini Omni, and this one is straight up cinema. Google describes it as a model that lets you generate any output from any input starting with video, and they're calling it a leap forward in how AI understands the world. In plain English, you give it text, an image, audio, video, or all of it mixed together, and it builds a brand new video out of it. But here's the part that's actually wild. You can edit your own video just by talking to it. Take a video you already shot and just ask it to change what's happening in it. It can edit the action, add a new character, add new objects, all just from you describing it. You say, make it cinematic, it makes it cinematic. You say, add someone walking through in the background, it adds them. You're not clicking through menus or learning editing software, you're just talking. And because it understands physics, things like gravity and how things actually move, the result looks far more real than what you'd expect. So that's 4 massive updates from Google in one go. An AI agent that works around the clock even while your laptop's closed, a model built for speed and action instead of just chatting, YouTube turning into something you talk to instead of search. And a model that can build or edit entire videos just from a conversation. Drop a comment and tell me which one you think is going to matter the most: Spark, Flash, Ask YouTube, or Omni. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.